Okay guys, so today I happen to be working on some motor control systems and HVAC units, and I just wanted to go over with you how to change rotation of a motor, a three-phase motor. It could be 208, 230, 460, 480, any three-phase motor this is going to work on. So in this particular unit, we have a VFD that controls our fans. So no matter what, if the rotation's forward or backwards, the VFD will convert the fan motors to the correct direction. However, the compressor is wired straight off this contactor, and if it runs backwards, it won't build pressure, it won't get cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the rotation of the motor by changing these leads. Now you can swap any two leads and it'll change the direction. So you can swap brown and orange, or you can swap brown and yellow, or you can swap orange and yellow. No matter which two you swap, the motor will rotate the opposite direction. So figured I'd share that with you all. I'll show you what it looks like whenever I get done. But also let me add this, as a safety precaution, make sure you keep you a non-contact voltage detector handy at all times. Turn it on. If it doesn't beep, you're good. I've already checked this on a live circuit before I came over here, so I know my non-contact voltage detector is working. So now that we know it's dead, it's safe to put my Allen wrenches on those lugs. The Allen wrenches that I have are the Klein multi-pack Allen wrenches. They're a little dirty. I've used them a lot. This is the best you can get, man. They've got every size you need, all in one little kit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change two legs, and I'll get right back to you. All right, so I swapped the yellow and the brown phases, and as you can tell, there's copper under every lug. You don't want the insulation up in the lug. You want it pretty close, but not all the way up in it. It's okay for it to be stripped back a little farther. There's no copper hanging out of the back of any of those lugs, so we know we're good to go. All right, that's how you change the direction of a motor. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. The tools I showed you, or anything you might need to do this job, there'll be links in the description. And stay tuned. We're going to keep bringing you everything we can. Have a great day.